Hey guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? So today I've got another BoxyCharm spoiler for you and a maybe theme. It's a possible theme, I'm not sure. And then I'll show you a lineup of the rest of the spoilers, of actually all the spoilers for BoxyCharm, the May box. Well, so far what we got out so far. So the new spoiler I found at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek, and if you'll take a look at this, of course, Joe texted and that there will be a variation box with milk makeup item in it. Now, we don't know what exact product that's going to be, so we are waiting on a confirmation of the product, but we do know that milk makeup will be in one of the variation boxes. And then here we see the maybe possible theme. I'm not sure, but I'm thinking it might be Boxy Waves. And then we'll take a look at the rest of the products that we already know about. So first of all, you know about the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. Why can't I talk today, guys? Jeez. Anyways, this is valued at $28. You'll either be getting this item or the First Aid Beauty, and this is the coconut water cream. This is valued at $34. And then, of course, if you remember yesterday, we will be getting one of the Alamar Cosmetic blushes, and this is the Colorette Blush Trios. There's 3 different ones. These are valued at $22. So we know, I don't know if everybody's going to be getting one of those or it's a variation. Now, the milk makeup, we do know is going to be a variation. And then, as an unconfirmed, this is unconfirmed again, guys, but we were seeing it as a possible May spoiler, and that would be the Dose of Colors Lippy. We don't know exactly which one. We don't even know if it's going to be in the box or in a future box, but I'm pretty sure they're shooting for May for this one. So guys, that is the rundown. That's the lineup so far for the spoilers for the May BoxyCharm box. So guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. And also guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. It doesn't really matter, just as long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos. And one more thing before you guys leave. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.